This is a bit of a speed painting, so I just thought I would share with you. I took this board that I put texture paste on and rolled through with the Fauxy roller to create this cool background. I sanded the board back a little bit after it was completely dry just to knock down some of the peaks. And now I'm just creating a bit of an abstract painting on top of the texture on the board. So I have fluid acrylics in Prussian blue hue, quinacridone nickel azo gold, red iron oxide, and a little bit of gesso, and I'm just going to town painting. And then I went over the whole thing with glazing liquid just to soften the colors and blend them a little bit. I took my finger and ran over the high spots with straight paint in the quinacridone nickel azo gold and the Prussian blue hue. And then before it all dried, I spattered it with high flow acrylic in Titan Buff, just so that those spatters would spread out a little bit. So I hope you enjoyed watching this really speedy version of this abstract painting. I just had the camera on while I was doing it, so figured I might as well share it with you. So if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and in the meantime, go make some art. Bye.